puppy. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, can I pet you? No? Trying to see how I am? Can I give you a pet? Is that okay? Here you go. There you go. Let's move this all around a little bit so you guys actually have time to find them. Ha ha ha, can't have. Are you guys ready? Oh my god, there's a guinea conga line! Oh my god! Ooh, veggies. Look.